In this video, I will share with you the exact script that hundreds of people have used in order to manifest, and many of them in seconds. So you can see my website on the video here. That is the Speak Up method, which I developed after interviewing over 50 spiritual people. And it's been tested again and again and again, and it has changed my life, and it had changed the lives of many people by speaking these sentences. It takes you approximately 11 seconds and it's free. It is on my website. You can just click the link below. It'll take you to it. You need to scroll a little down there to find it, because it starts with my story and the whole thing. You can read more about it if you're interested about speaking in order to manifest. So it is down there, and you can of course buy the Speak Up method if you want to. It doesn't cost more than washing your car. Well, in Norway, anyway. If you do it by hand, you'll probably, it's a cheaper version. But if it doesn't work for you, I track the success of the method by counting refunds. So if this doesn't work for you, all you need to do is to send me an email. My email is there. Just write refund and I'll send you your money back, no questions asked. So far, I've been doing this for a while now, and this is not a scientific research study, okay? This is just based on the feedback I get. I send back refunds to approximately between 10 and 15% of the people who buy. So that's quite a lot of people, of course, but if you flip it, that means 85 to 90% people do not ask for a refund. Does that mean that they automatically had success? No, maybe they forgot to send me the refund email. I don't know, but it's as I said, it's not a scientific, double-blind experiment. It's just feedback. But and that combined with all the comments I get from people who use it, and that goes what? And you can also read some of those comments on that website. They go, what happened now? Something weird happened when I spoke my intention, my focused intention out loud. That is the key of the Speak Up method. So that script down below, that's proven to work for most people anyway, but it's not a magic bullet. You feel free to change it. Maybe start with the script and then change it based on what feels right in your heart after a while. So it is your intention that is the key that makes this work. It's not the specific words in the script, but there are elements in that script which I find important, and that is using your free will and your intention. You have manifesting powers, and this is important, you're asking for help from spirit, or whatever you want to call the unseen helpers. And also what happens when you do that, your limiting beliefs and blocks might go away for a while, because you send it out into the universe and asking for help, and you don't know what's going to come. You don't know what these unseen helpers are capable to do, so you're not sure. And when you're not sure what's coming and how this is going to look, your inner critic goes, oh, well, it's kind of hard to stop this because I don't know what's coming. If you, on the other hand, is trying to manifest a specific amount of money, then your critic can say, oh no, you'll never be able to manifest 10,000 euros or dollars. It's never happened before, it's not going to happen now. But if you manifest, as you will see on the website, a solution to your financial problems, you don't know what's coming. You might win the lottery. People might give you money, you might get an idea that brings you money, you don't know, and you are now co-creating with the universe, as you also can read on that website. So just click the link below. Takes you a few minutes to read it, use the script if you want to, and feel free to buy the Speak Up method if you want to do that, and I'll just send you your money back if it doesn't work. Does sound good? And remember, the important thing is that you start communicating with spirit. And it really doesn't matter how you do that. You can just say something like,
Hey guys, could you help me send a little light through the mystery, like astronauts calling home through the stars? Houston, are you listening where you are? 7 seconds, feel the energy flow from the heart to the places we don't yet know. Maybe it's spirit, maybe it's all inside, but every time I speak up, something starts to move the tide.